guys, I'm Felicity from the Luxuriant Curls channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do Bantu knots on, well, type 4 hair. And the products that I will be using today is Curls. It's by Curls and it's Control Curl Sculpting Gel. It has firm hold. So I'm going to be using that to make the knots look neat and slick or whatever. And got my other materials: Detangling Brush, spray bottle, rat tail comb, some clips, and an edge brush. Okay, so first what I did was part the first row of the back of my head. So it should look like this. Try to make it, I'm not going to make the Bantu knots too small because that'll take a while. I want them to be a little medium or big or something like that. But let's get started. So I'm going to get my comb. I changed rat tail combs, the other one was too weird. So get my comb and part it down the middle like this. Now I'm going to spray it with some water so I can detangle it again because my hair has shrunk up a bit. And I'm going to get the detangling brush and detangle. Okay, after you finish detangling it, I'm going to get the product and put some in my hands. Got about this much in my hand. Mix it together and apply it to your hair. Okay, need a little bit more than that. That small amount didn't do anything. Okay. Try to get the edges, the bottom. Brush through it one more time. After detangling, brush your edges so it can look neat. So get the bottom, the side, the top, and the other side. And now I'm gonna twist it. I twist mine before I do the Bantu knot, so I twist it on its own first. So after you're done twisting it, you're gonna twist it a bit on its own, hold it like right here, and just wrap it. Okay, here's what it looks like. It should stay, and do the same thing on the rest of your head. I'll show you what it looks like when I'm about done with it. So I'm pretty much done, but this was a small Bantu knot section. It was too small, so I'm just gonna instead do 2 braids coming down and add some beads. Okay, so I made 2 braids on the sides just to make it look cooler. And I have some beads that I'm about to put on these, and I'll show you when I put them on. Okay, so I've added the beads. They're chilling here. I don't even know if that looks right. I was just fooling around. But I added the beads, and I'm gonna add some more hair accessories, so I'll show you what I look like afterwards. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day. I went to sleep. It was really late when I finished accessorizing. So what I did was, as you can see, I added this, let me focus the camera. I added like a little ring thing. It's like a tree or something. And then these are actually 2 of these put together. And I had some leftover hair strings. I put it on this one and this one. And the rest of the Bantu knots has the, the gold clip things that you see on braids a lot, and got the beads. Here's the back. Everything's cool. The curls gel. The curls gel actually works pretty nicely. It's not frizzy or anything. It's not completely slick, but it got the job done. So curl is good. It's a good product for slicking. Everything looks nice and neat. I added some pomade to my scalp this morning just to keep my scalp moisturized, and also some oil too, just to keep everything looking shiny. And that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial on Bantu knots, and let me know how it turns out for you if you decide to do it yourself. Make sure you like this video and subscribe, because we're always going to be posting more videos on different things, different hairstyles, different hair topics, stuff like that. So stay tuned, keep your post notifications on, and have a great hair day.